Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect your Shopify store with its product to your Google Shopping or Google Merchant. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is click on apps and we're going to search for Google and YouTube. And as you can see, that is what appears right over here. Just click on that and it'll take you to the app page over here. Now, what you're going to want to do is click install. And that's going to open up another tab, which I'm pretty sure is just the original Shopify store. And as you can see, you need to grant the install permission. So just click install. And once you've authorized it, it should install that app in your store. Once that's done, as you'll see, it has installed the app over to the left. And as you can see, you can connect your Google account to drive sales and reach more customers. You can show your products on Google for free. So just click on that and connect your Google account, which you want. For example, I'll choose this one and just click continue and allow. And once that's done, it'll sync all the products right over there. And that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.